I hope you're doing well. I will quickly show you on how you can create a really cool looking pitch deck, anything like that, within just a couple minutes. So this is a text that we just received from the client that they want on the pitch deck or brochure. And what we will do is we will go ahead, we will take this, and then we will go to ChatGPT and we will use our custom GPT, which is a brand strategy and positioning GPT. We will go ahead, we will say, do research, write this longer for a pitch deck. And then we simply paste the text in. If you have any existing documents, you can also just drag and drop them in here. And now what we're gonna do, we're just gonna submit it. While it is generating the text, we will go to Chronicle HQ. It is called chroniclehq.com. We will go ahead and we will select paste text. Then we will just wait a couple seconds. We will simply copy this text and then paste it in here. Now there are a couple different options. If you already have that in mind, you can select the different chapters that you want. You can either leave the text as it is, or you can have a subtle rewrite, so it just adjusts the text based on the design that it's gonna create. And then we're gonna select pitch, and we're gonna hit continue. Now it's gonna just take a couple seconds to create. So while we will wait on that, the GPT that I used here, we, as you can see, already have a couple different ones that we use in our agency internally, just to, let's say, have it easier for everyone that works with us. For example, we have this one, which is like for brand strategy and positioning, as well as for pitch decks, really good. We have one, for example, for a project brief, where you can just include all the documents, call transcripts, anything like that, and it creates a whole project brief for a project once onboarded. We have financial advisor, prompt generator for aesthetic images, where you can just describe what you want to see, and based on the camera settings and the XML prompts that we have designed, it's going to give you the exact prompt to get a realistic image. Then we have social media strategies. We have viral reel GPTs, where you basically just enter your idea or all of the information that you have about a specific brand. And it is backed by around 1,500 viral reels, as well as a copy, the hooks, references, and so on. So every single response that you get on here is kind of based on that resource. And that's how it works with all of those GPTs. So instead of just using your normal GPT, you can just choose, depending what kind of task or what kind of thing you need. You just select the specific one, and then the answer that you will get from GPT, instead of it being generic, it is backed by resources. For example, the sales coach is trained by all of our call transcript, by our sales trainings, anything like that, common objections. So all of those GPTs give you just a very way better answer than just using the normal ChatGPT. So perfect. So let's go back to this one. So in this case, we're just gonna leave it as it is. If you want to, you can also like edit the text right here, like edit the title. You can select the theme if you want it white or in dark mode, and then we will hit generate presentation. Perfect. So now we can simply scroll through the presentation. You can already see it is quite an amazing design. It also has a couple cool animations, so you can just like open that up here and like read more about it. So you can scroll through it. All the images are placeholders, so those ones are ones that need to be replaced. And then if there's any specific section that you don't like, you simply hit remix and then select the layout that you would like to have, and it adjusts the text and everything automatically. So for example, in this case, it's still generating the next chapters, but if we do want to remix, we just click it and then it takes a couple seconds. You can basically embed anything you want. So for example, if we want our website embedded, we just go ahead, copy and paste, and then you can very pretty integrate anything that you would like. You can change the colors, backgrounds, basically anything you want. So yeah, this is a really cool tool, and it will make it very easy for you to simply, let's say, present your ideas in a nice way. Like I said, you can pretty much embed anything, any existing data, any links that you already have. So yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.